Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all stick around because I'm going to show you two really quick and easy ways that you can whip up two very unique cards in no time. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by today, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Y'all, giving cards is a year-round thing, and as paper crafters, we're always looking for those fun, unique ways that we can make really cute cards, and we really want to be able to do it without breaking the bank. That's what today's project is all about. I'm going to show you two really fun ways and two very different card types that you can make, probably with things that you already have in your stash. So I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is? It's time to make it. Alright y'all, so here are the two awesome card types that we're going to make. They're going to be very different, but oh so stinking cute. And you know what else? These will also double as gift card holders. So we're going to have fun ways to present our message, but we'll also have a way that we can give a gift as well. So gift card holder or cash holder, totally up to you. But what I have first is basically a bag card. So I'm using a really pretty little glassine bag, and on the inside I have created just a little card that you can write on. I've decorated the front of the bag very lightly, and I'll show you how I did that. But this is just a really sweet way to be able to write a note to someone, so you can change the papers on this, and this is good for any season, any reason, anyone. But I thought it was very cute. It has a nice Victorian feel to it, and I really do like that design when it comes to paper crafting. So I thought you might enjoy seeing this as well as this one. So this is one of those pre-made blank cards that I demoed in this particular project. In this project, we took the cards and we turned them into chunky notebooks. But today we're going to keep it as a card, but we're going to make it more than a card. So you can see how if you buy a pack of blank note cards, very versatile ways in which you can use this, not just for a blank note card. So I'm going to open it so that you can see the inside. So on the inside, I decided to do some simple and cute dressing. Then when you flip open the top, we have a nice place here that you can place a photo if you want, a nice place here for another photo or a message. This can be interchangeable, or it can be all messaging or all photos. And then you have some space here because this is light, that you can also write your message here. So when you fold this over, we also have a little pocket right here, and this pocket is great for those gift cards or the cash that you might want to tuck in. Y'all, this is a really sweet little way to take that 4x5 note card and look at what we turned it into. It's not a blank note card anymore. It really has become a note card, gift card folio. So here's what we're going to need to make both of these. Alright y'all, so the first thing that we're going to make is the card in a glassine bag. So what we're going to need to make that is, I have a piece of white cardstock, and this measures 6 by 3 3/4. And then I have a 4 by 6 3/4 inch bag. And then I have a beautiful piece of scrap paper to cover the front of this. Again, I'm going to go with a very Victorian tea party type theme here because I think it works. And then I have a 5.5 by 1/2 inch strip that I'll put on my paper. And then I have a nice little flower sticker to top it off. So I'm just going to take my tape and add tape to the portion of the bag that is the front of the bag. Trying to be very careful not to tear my bag by pulling the tape. But I am making sure that I have really good tape coverage along the outer edge. Then I'm going to take my decorative piece and let's just place it down like this. And then I'll grab my finger blade and I'm just going to remove the excess on this side. And then I'll angle in at the bottom like that. And I can angle in here. Take my stylus and just go along that bottom edge so that I can train that to fold over. Now I can take my tape and add some tape, and then we can fold over. And y'all, there is our quick and easy glassine bag covered with some beautiful scrapbook paper. This would be great in any type of a journal, but it's going to be great as the holder for the very simple card we're going to make. So I have this piece that measures 6 by 3 3/4, and I have my 5 1/2 by 1/2 inch strip. I'm just going to add some tape, and I'll just place that down. You decide where you want to place it, and then I'll take my sticker and we're just going to place it like that. Very quick and easy way to create this little card. And then we can just tuck it in the bag along with a gift card or some cash. It all depends on you. Or this can just be a nice little note to someone. But I think that something like this would also make an awesome gift set to someone. It would be a great idea just to make up a box of these and hand them off to someone as a gift. So anytime they need a card, they don't have to worry about going to the store and buying one. They can just pull this out, write a message, and hand it off to the person that they want to have it. Now, I've been told that the size of this does make it mailable. As long as the top is sealed, you can place your postage on this if you want, and you can drop it in the mail. But just make sure that you check with your local post office just to make sure. Mine said it was okay, but like anything else in life, location to location might cause a variance. So just make sure that you check with yours. So now we're going to make this sweet little card here. When folded, it measures 4 by 5 and opens like this. So what I'm going to do is again use this beautiful blue because I love it. Now the note card set that I bought actually had some extra cards in it. So they gave you what they called a postcard. You can cut this piece off and this becomes a postcard. But I'm going to just use all of this for today's project. So here are my actual working components. I have 2 pieces of white cardstock that measure 3 5/8 by 4 5/8. I have 2 pieces of decorative paper that I'll place on the inside of the card, and this measures 4 3/4 by 3 3/4. And then I have a piece that measures 3 7/8 by 12. We'll be using that as well. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 pieces and place them down on the inside like this. And these pieces again measure 4 3/4 by 3 3/4. I am just going to place them down using my tape. And I'll take this piece and I'm going to put it down like this. And we'll do the same thing with this one. Add that tape and place it down. I'm going to try to get my stripes aligned. Then we're going to take this piece and we're going to place it on the back of the card like this. So I'm going to take my tape and I'm just going to run some tape along the back of the card, but I know that my paper doesn't cover the whole card, so I'm just going to run enough tape on the card, and then I'll run some tape along the edge here because I want to make sure that that sticks. Then I'm going to take this piece, align it with the bottom, then I'm going to take my stylus, and I'll take this piece, we fold it over, then I'll take this piece and I'm just going to fold it like this. So I want to make sure that when I fold it, it's not hanging over the bottom. And that's how we get that cute little pocket. So now I'm going to take some glue. We're going to place some glue here and some glue here. Get that nice and stuck. Now I can take a piece of my cardstock and we're just going to add some tape to the back. We're going to take this piece and place it right there. And then we'll take this piece and we're going to place it right there. So I am just going to add some more tape. So now we can take this and we're going to put it down like that. And there we have our nice little body. So now y'all, we just need to start adding some of our decorative elements. I am going to put this down over here because this will give me another place for writing if that's what I want to do. Then I'm going to take my little paper doll here. She is not a sticker. So I am going to add some glue. If she is a sticker, I can't get her unstuck. So I'm going to place her right there. So then I'm going to take this piece and just mount it to some scrap white so that we can have a background. I'm going to add some glue. Place this right here. And you can use any type of decorative elements that you want. You don't even have to do anything similar to what I'm doing. I'm just trying to give you some ideas on ways that we can take advantage of those blank note cards, because there are so many beautiful ones out there that it's just a shame to only use them as a blank note card. Trim off this excess. And so then I have this little butterfly sticker that I'm just going to place down like that. And now I'll open this and I'm just going to take this and place it right there. It's just a decorative piece. It doesn't serve any real purpose except it's decorative. So I'm just going to put it right there. Get that nice and stuck. So then I'm going to add just a little butterfly right there at the top. And then I'll show you that we have this little pocket that you can tuck in your gift card, your cash, whatever you might want to put there. Then I'm going to open this piece, bring in some of my little word stickers. And for those of you who got the May kit, you got some of these word stickers in your kit. And you got some of these cards in your kit too, so this is definitely a little idea of something you can make with some of the items in your kit. So now that we have this piece, I'm going to take another little butterfly, just put it right there as a decorative element. And then I'll flip over to the back side and we're going to place a little butterfly right there. So y'all, that is how quick and easy it is to take that blank note card and turn it into something that is so useful. But if you're using a blank note card, then you're going to have envelopes that go with it as well. And then I am just going to take another one of my little stickers I'm going to take some scrap white paper and I'm going to place it down so that we can create something for the front. So I'm just going to trim this like this, and then I'll just angle in to flag it just a little bit. So now I can take this piece. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. And so y'all, that's it. We started with a plain but beautiful blank note card, and we turned it into so much more. Now we have this beautiful card folio that can hold photographs, can be used to write a message. Flip it over, we can tuck that cash or gift card in this pocket. It's just so stinking cute. Here is that original one, and you can see on the inside how similar they both are and how effective they both are at communicating any message that we might want to communicate. So I'm going to bring in these two bag cards here to give you an idea of the really fun and sweet ways and creative ways that we can give cards of any type, or that we can gift cash or gift cards. Such a sweet little idea and so simple. So I hope that you have enjoyed this awesome Make a Card Monday. That's what my channel is all about, bringing fun but useful, and there's the key word, useful projects that you can do and have fun at the same time. If you have liked my video, I hope you have, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, consider subscribing. As always, my friends, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.